Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Substack to create newsletter. All right, so let's begin with the video. First things first, go to your Substack account. In the upper right corner, you'll see your account icon. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings page, look for the option Create Another Publication and click on it. This is where you'll start setting up your new newsletter. Next, name your publication and choose a URL that best represents your brand or the theme of your content. Once you've entered the details, hit Continue to proceed. If you already have a mailing list from another source, you can import it here by clicking Select File to upload your subscriber list. But if you're starting fresh, you can manually add subscribers by entering their email addresses before clicking Continue again. Now go through the prompt to make your new publication. Now, let's move on to the fun part, creating your first post. Click New Post to begin and choose Text Post to start drafting your content. Begin with an engaging and informative title that grabs attention, then add a subtitle to give readers a preview of what your post is about. After that, write the body of your newsletter. Once you're satisfied with your post, head to the upper right corner and click Continue. Here you'll find distribution options. Decide whether to send your post to all subscribers or only paid ones. You can also enable or disable comments based on how interactive you want your audience to be. Don't forget to add relevant tags like technology, lifestyle, or business to make your post easier to discover. If you'd like to control the timing of your release, you can schedule the post for a future date or choose to send it immediately. Finally, click Send to Everyone Now to publish your first newsletter. You will see prompt to add subscribe button. And there you have it. You've just launched your very first Substack newsletter. So that is how you can use Substack to create newsletter. So that's all for this video. Thanks.